Imagine waking up daily with a clear sense of purpose and direction, fully committed to your dreams and inspired to take deliberate actions towards achieving them. That's the magic of a vision board. Hello and welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here. In this video, we're diving into how you can use a vision board to turn your dreams into reality. Whether you're striving for career success, fulfilling relationships, or even that dream vacation, a vision board can help you focus, stay motivated, and take action. So, what exactly is a vision board, and how does it work? Let's break it down. A vision board is like a visual roadmap to your goals. It's a collection of images and words that represent the life you want to create, everything from material achievements to emotional fulfillment. By creating one, you're giving your dreams a clear, organized space that keeps them front and center in your mind. Now you might be wondering how simple images and words actually make a difference. Let's explore the science behind it. The secret behind the effectiveness of a vision board lies in your emotions and your brain's Reticular Activating System, RAS. Every day, we're bombarded with so much information, sounds, sights, ideas, that it would be impossible to consciously process it all. The RAS helps by sorting through this overload and highlighting what is important to you. Let's say you're dreaming of buying a gray SUV. Suddenly, you start noticing gray SUVs everywhere, in the parking lots, on the highway, and even in advertisements. Did more gray SUVs appear overnight? Of course not. Instead, your brain began filtering out irrelevant data and highlighting things connected to your goal. The same principle applies to your vision board. When you look at it daily, you teach your Reticular Activating System, RAS, to identify opportunities, resources, and ideas that help you achieve your dreams. It's like giving your brain a treasure map, and it starts noticing the clues you might have overlooked before. Seeing your goals represented visually taps into your emotions, creating a sense of excitement and motivation. And when you combine clarity, focus, and positive emotion, you're setting yourself up for success. So now that you know why a vision board works, let's talk about how to create it. Take some time to gather images from magazines, the internet, or your photos. Make sure the pictures represent your goals in detail. For example, if you want a guitar, find an image of the exact model and color. Add personal photos that bring joy, like happy moments with friends and family, or doing something you love. These images help your brain connect your goals to positive emotions, making your vision board even more motivating. Now it's time to put everything together. Choose a layout. Use a corkboard or poster board. If you have a lot of pictures, group them into categories like health, career, or relationships. Place affirmations or inspirational words near related images for extra encouragement. If you prefer something portable, create a wish book using a notebook. Dedicate a page to each goal or category and decorate it with images and quotes. Now let's talk about how to use a vision board. Your vision board isn't just for decoration, it's a daily tool. Consider placing it where you'll see it. You can hang it somewhere you pass by often, like your workspace, bedroom wall, or fridge. Make it a part of your daily routine. Try spending a few moments looking at it every morning to set your focus and every evening to plant your goals in your subconscious mind. You can save your favorite images as phone wallpapers or screensavers for constant reminders. In conclusion, a vision board is a fantastic way to stay inspired and focused. But remember, it's just the starting point. Pair it with consistent action, and you'll be on your way to creating the life you've always dreamed of. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you used a vision board before, or is it a new idea? Drop a yes if you've tried it before, or first time if it's a new idea. Let's share and inspire each other in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. See you next time. Take care.